Let's find some arbitrage products together. So what we're going to do today is, let's put it this way. By the end of this video, I want you to have an online arbitrage products to actually sell on Amazon. Now, let me say this. I don't recommend actually buying this product since multiple people are going to see this product, right? By the way, yeah, my videos are not making that many views, right? So like, you're probably on the clear, but like I would not buy the product that we end up finding, right? So we're going to start with a super old strategy, which is starting from great value products and doing some storefront stalking. Great Value is a brand that is sold, it's a brand from Walmart, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into a Great Value product, like, not the one that was on top, but let's just find a random other product. And so since it's a brand from Walmart, what happens is that the people that you're going to see on the product are reseller, right? Like on this one right here. Let's double check. So Price Princess is a reseller and she's running some ads, interestingly, on this product. And let's give it a minute to load. Yeah, she's a huge seller. She's a huge seller. Now, I'm actually wondering if, yeah, so that's something that you want to avoid, like the product is misbranded. Let's do this. Let's look at Great Value juice boxes, which it looks like they're not even on, oh, here we go, Great Value, boom. 3 different juice boxes. People back in the days were like going crazy with these on YouTube tutorials, which was like a trash way of sourcing. But like, we're just going to follow these trash ways of sourcing and trying to find a product that you guys can sell, right? So we're going to look at, like, these people are beginners. So 1 review, 4 reviews, 1 review. We're going to, you know what? I like Marco. Let's look at Marco. Let's see what he sells, because I've been watching a lot of One Piece recently and there's a Marco in One Piece, so that's why. Funny enough, I think I gotta get it in grocery with some of these, but let's look at what this guy is selling. If this guy is selling something, you can probably sell this the exact same thing, right? So this guy is selling some tea. Now let me tell you this, when you source beginners like this, you're going to see a lot of trash product. This is profitable, like literally, like I know this product is actually profitable. I think it's from Walmart. So like straight up, we could have had a profitable product right there. I think I even have like a buy cost on it. Let me double check on my ref seller. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at ref seller to try to calculate our profit. Yeah, so you can get this for like 11.76. Let me look at it. It's like actually cheaper for 10.96 on Walmart, walmart.com. So 11.76 was probably the cost of prep. 10.90, so boom, here we go. So I mean, that was pretty fast. That was 3 minutes to find a product. Literally 3 minutes to find a product. Yeah, what else should we do? I don't know. So if you don't know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. By the way, I release videos every single day to help you with your Amazon business. You got a free product here if you watch this video. It sells pretty fast. So if I were you, it's literally the first guy that will be checked, right? And like, if you actually like, let's get back into this. If you actually like sort by how fast these products sell, that's literally the first product. So if by this time, like you cannot find a profitable product, you just need to copy what I do. Like, that's it. But let's just keep going. You know what? Let's look at the second product. Which seemed like the price tanked. So if we look, like, see that thing that we see at the bottom right? That's a keeper chart. And we can see that the pink line is lower than usual. But let's actually check. We never know. Maybe it's actually profitable. Let's look at this. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's check this out. Okay, so $23.99 but for how big of a pack? Let's check it out. 15 per box. So that's for 1 box, correct? Or like, that's for a case of 90. We get a 9. Okay, but like, yeah, the case is like this, right? I don't think that's the case of 90 of these of the... Yeah, no, okay, I got it. Yeah, I got it. No, so we don't want this. We probably don't want this. The case of 9 here is not a case full of those 15 pack. That's not what it is. So yeah, like, I don't like that too much. We're just going to skip to the next one. Amazon is selling on this one, so we're going to skip it. You know what? 750. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at products that sell for at least $15 by using this keeper filter, right? At least $15. This is probably heavy. Yeah, 32 ounce is going to be like £1. The price has been steadily going down, so we're just going to skip it. We're going to keep going and wait. Like, that's weird that this beginner can sell Funko, but it's listed under Pop. I think I'm restricted in these. No, I can sell this one. Like, that's interesting. Now, I'll tell you. You need to be really careful on these when you buy them from Walmart, because it's a lot of third-party sellers selling them on Walmart and like buying fake ones on AliExpress and flipping them on Walmart, and then you get fucked whenever you try like to appeal that. So you won't be able to do it. However, that's probably something you can like buy from, but like, I'll tell you this, it's probably back ordered. I'm pretty sure it's actually back ordered. No, actually not. It's not back ordered, but it's used, right? I think it's a used one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a used one, but you can buy it wholesale from EE Distribution. You need to pre-order. It's going to get delivered in August, but I mean $14.99. I mean, that's the reason why the price is high right now, but like $14.99, that's a second profitable product. You just can't buy it right now wholesale. You cannot get it delivered really fast. So maybe you need to keep digging. I doubt it's in stock at GameStop. Yeah, it's like, oh, new actually, $15.19. Here we go. So just get the Pro thing at GameStop, right? You can get it right now. Like, you can get it for $15.19. Boom, you're cooking, right? Second profitable product. And that's all from the same seller, by the way, right? So we can keep going. We're probably going to find other products, right? So price to flat, like this looks interesting. This looks like something you can, that is arbitrageable. Why am I saying that? I'm saying this because the price keeps going up and down right here, right? You see some movement with the price. Whenever you see the price being too flat, usually it's not arbitrageable, right? It's the brand or whatever selling. But let's see if we can find it. So that would be three profitable products from the same exact seller. And it looks like this is at Walmart right here for $8.77, right? So it's out of stock at Walmart, but like you can just catch restocks. Like, it's really easy to catch restocks at Walmart. So that would be $8.77, and that would indeed be profitable, right? Not the biggest profit, but that would be profitable. Now, you can, let's do Google Shopping. Let's do Google Shopping and $8.79 right there. I don't know if it's the same. Oh my god, here we go. Why can't I open this thing? Let's do this. $8.79. Okay. $8.79. That's another source, right? Is it the most profitable product in the world? No, but you make $1 a unit, right? So yeah, let me make sure that it was the same. It's a 25 pack. Yeah, 25 pack right there. On that other website, was it a 25 pack? Was it a 25 pack? That's a 10-piece one. So yeah, now you want to get this one from Walmart. Yeah, I mean, you can see it's as easy as that to find profitable online arbitrage products. It's not difficult, right? So hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.